Hi, welcome to my channel. Kalyan Coach. Today we'll explain about fractions. What exactly is a fraction? A fraction is a part, or portion, of a whole. Every fraction has two parts, a numerator and a denominator. A numerator, the top half of a fraction that represents the number of parts you have. A denominator, the bottom half of a fraction that represents the number into which the whole object is divided. You must be fluent of adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing concepts. Where are fractions used in mathematics? Determining the part of a number, calculating decimals and percentages, ratio and proportion, probability, algebraic equations. Based on the numerators and denominators, fractions are classified into the 7 types. 1 proper fractions, 2 improper fractions, 3 mixed fractions, 4 like fractions, 5 unlike fractions, 6 equivalent fractions, 7 unit fractions. Proper fractions. If the numerator value is less than the denominator, then it is referred to as a proper fraction. 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. Improper fractions. Improper fraction is the one in which the denominator is smaller than the numerator. 8 by 5 is an improper fraction. Mixed fractions. A fraction comprising a natural number and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. You can convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction and vice versa. A mixed fraction is always greater than 1. Fractions that have the same denominators are like fractions. Example, the fractions 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, and 6 by 7 all have the same denominator, 7. Hence, these are like fractions. Simplification of like fractions is easy. For example, if you want to add the above 4 fractions, all you have to do is add the numerators. The denominator will remain the same. So, 2 by 7, plus, 3 by 7, plus, 5 by 7, plus, 6 by 7, equals, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, by 7 equals 16 by 7. Unlike fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are unlike fractions. For example, the fractions 2 by 3 and 1 by 4 have different denominators. So they are unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. A fraction that upon simplification gives the same value is called equivalent fractions. Example, 1 by 2 and 50 by 100 are equal to 0.5. Hence, these are equivalent fractions. Unit fractions. A fraction whose numerator is 1 and the denominator is a positive integer is called a unit fraction. Examples of unit fractions are 1 by 2, 1.5, 2 by 8, etc. Point to remember while working with fractions. You can write any number as a fraction by keeping 1 as the denominator. You can multiply 2 fractions straight across. You can multiply a fraction with any form of a number. You can compare 2 fractions by multiplying the numerators with the denominators diagonally. The larger product denotes the larger fraction. Every full number has a denominator, which is 1. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1. If we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. Hope you understand the basics of fractions and how to solve the problem. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.